Hello guys, this is part 2. Broken thing.
Kakain mo lang, bakit may part 2 agad?
Maybe now. I don't know. Man, get out! Bro, how can you not aim? Wow, your aim is so good.
Yeah.
Look, I'm balancing. Haha. Look at me oral forming, guys. It's so nice.
Ano mo yung part 2?
What are you aiming at? I'm still here.
What? Do you should die?
Yeah, I didn't die. Hey, did you see that? Did you see that? Did you see that? That was aura.
Nawala yung object ko.
Give up, you idiot.
Sasakit.
Oh. Guys, I'm falling to the void. Come on, bro. Lol, bro, died already. Yeah.
Burger.
Burger? That's so bad.
Shit. Sinabi mo siguro tita ko fuck or shit. What the fuck do you mean? Nice try. Bro, when I say ugly, sabihin mo fat. Sinabi ko fat man. I want you to be mine. Oh, my favorite.
Red. Fuck you, though. That's the worst color of clothes on me.
No, it's not. It's blood. I love blood.
Go into vampire. What? If I win, you're gay. You're dead, man. Yeah, you're dead. Whoa. What are you aiming at, you bitch?
I'm gay.
You're gay.
Queen wins. What is gay?
No, you.
If I win, Matt is gay. Pag ginalo si tita kung hindi ka gay. Johan's gay if I win. No, hindi si Matt. If I lose, Matt's gay. If I win. Matt, Johan's gay. No, okay, bet. Pag natalo si Matt, gay siya. Matt, let's drop down.
No, what's wrong with you?
Tara, sabay tayo.
Ikaw no.
Ikaw muna.
What? Bro, try to trick me. Mo? Ikaw na namatay. Gay ka! Gay ka!
Sabi mo. Guys, pag natalo si Matt, tayo.
pag nanalo si Matt, pangit siya.
Come here, bro. Wow! Ang lakas ng jump ko! What?
Lol.
Wow! Wow!
Guys, do you see that?
What? You still survive? No. How did you do that?
I'm horrified. Yo, thank you. The final scene.
If Matt loses, Matt's game. If Johan wins, Matt's game. Go down, go down.
No.
Yes,
Hey.
go down.
Bro got tricked. Bro got tricked. Bro got tricked.
Fuck you guys.
Bro got tricked. Pag nanalo ako, guys, ano si Matt gay, pati si tita kong tomboy. Look at me on a phone like an idiot. Who's a gay mama? Kaboom. Thank you. Welcome. You're gonna die now. Oh, bro, man. Ah! Hello. Hey, we got it.
Hello.
We
We're
got
done
it.
here.
Oh, we're done here. For real. Ah, bro, man.
Just
Push,
barely.
push, push, push.
One more game.
Uh,
Oh no, oh no.
Oh. Wait, there's a hole here. Do you want to jump here? Oh my
No.
god. Oh no. You guys are getting comfort. Hello, pangit. Come on, go down.
I'm barely gonna fall.
Yeah.
I'm floating.
You're floating here. What are you aiming at?
Weak?
Fire burning, fire burning, fire burning on the dance floor. Oh! Yo. Yo, what's up? This is my YouTube channel and I know how to speak English. Spill me. Oh. Now to speak English. Pew pew. Fire burning, fire burning, fire burning. I'm a monster. You really tired? You tried to really kill me? Look at this ball over here. Yes! Merong hole! Merong hole! Nakita ko! Sintik ka. Blocking target. Si Matt nagsabi nun ah. Paano kayo nagtit... Oh, you man! tralalero, tralala. Patapin, tralalero, tralala. Patapin, tralala.
IKEA, ano to color? Tita Queen, tingnan mo.
Was there a lifetime? Wow!
Well, what are you gonna do about it? Cry? Cry to your mommy? Cause you're scared you might die? Cry now, you mommy. Wow, Pupo!
Is that the owner?
Ah! Nauntog ako! Meron na hudong sa akin na ba? Bungi si kuya. If I land this, bungi si kuya.
Bakit toy?
Kaya, kainin ko yun eh. I'm trash at this game. Finish ako. Taas ako na yan. Oh, yes. Oh my God. Ako. Natalo ako. Bye guys. I love you.